First open the glove box. Now you have to push on the sides, this one and this. Push inside and lower the glove box. You can remove it completely, and this will give you access to this box. Remove the plastic cover and you will see the cabin air filter in here. Here is, as you can see, we already have some garbage in here. Insert the new air filter and reinstall the cover first. Now you can put back the glove box. You see there are two hooks on the bottom which go in these two places. So carefully align the hooks and again push in and push the box up this way, and now it's done.